KSB GIW operates the world's largest white iron foundry, in addition to a couple of smaller foundries in Grovetown and Thomson, Georgia in the US. Foundries are considered dirty by the very nature of the process and are large consumers of energy. When you have to melt, pour, and heat treat millions of pounds of metal every month, you require large volumes of various metals, sand, gas, and electricity, to name a few. The KSB Group and GIW as a wholly owned subsidiary are committed to responsible and sustainable consumption of resources.
KSB has set 2018 as the baseline measurement for CO2 emissions, and for GIW, that is 31.7 metric tons of CO2. And so our goal is to reduce those emission levels by 30% by 2025. And how we intend to go about that is purchasing renewable energy credits from our provider, Georgia Power, and that includes both solar and wind energy.
GIW has two methods of reducing CO2 and protecting the climate by, number one, conducting life cycle assessments on our pumps, which evaluates the CO2 emissions from the supplier sending us product, through production, through shipment to the customer, and through the operations in the field, and then the end of the life of the pump. Another way that GIW is tackling the climate protection is by evaluating our manufacturing facilities. What can we do to reduce CO2 emissions in those areas? One would be more efficient equipment, more efficient processes, better infrastructure, installing LED lighting, motion sensors, programmable thermostats for HVA systems, and of course recycling.
Well, the KSB goal for safety is 0.3 lost work days per employee. And in actuality, GIW has already met that goal. And that goal is basically to be met by 2025, but we have met it. And we've done that by constant training of our workforce, and this includes monthly safety trainings. It also includes weekly toolbox talks.
Purchasing is a member of the cross-functional CSR focus team, and our 2025 corporate objective is to assess the sustainability performance of 90% of our preferred regional and global supplier partners. Purchasing considers environmental, social, and governance standards such as reducing waste, improving resource efficiency, human rights, fair labor practices, risk management, ethics, anti-corruption, and bribery.
We want to be truly a responsible consumer of precious resources while producing world-class products. Our actions and consumptions should be sustainable and not deplete the earth. We are very conscious of future generations that will continue to need metals and energy sources. We need to leave a legacy of clean air, water, and earth for them. We must strive to be better stewards of these resources.